I'm about to make abacha, so I just want to show you guys the ingredients I'll be using. So in here I've got dried abacha, I have some chilies that I've sliced, and onion, and I have some dry fish here. I have ugba here. I'm going to make this softer by adding some hot water to it. The water is boiling currently. Some mint leaf I'll be using. It's been in my fridge for a while, so that's why it looks like this, but I'm just going to pick out the fresh ones and leave the ones that are already there. In here I've got some akamo. I'm letting it to settle a bit. So guys, the baked meat is ready. I'm going to air fry this for a few minutes. So my pot is still very much hot because I used it to cook the meat. So I added some palm oil, added some potash, also known as akamo, and mix until you get a particular consistency. To be honest, I don't really know how to do this. I just wing it and it works. And then you're going to add some seasoning, add some dry fish, some ugba, some fresh pepper, and add some onion, and then just mix. You can add some crayfish at this point if you have, but I actually don't. And I also have this native spice that I've had for a while, so I'm going to add that a bit. Add my goat's meat, just for some smoky flavor, and then I'll add my abacha. Obviously after you soak it, you have to let it dry so water doesn't get into your mix. Add some mint leaf, mix, and I just let it cook up for a bit. My stove is off, but that's because like I said, it's still very hot, so it does the job. Add some fresh onion just for that crisp, and yeah, that's it. Looks so delicious, and actually it banged.